yandibaddewo mu buno ate omukyala we yandibaddewo mu budde
no naawe engeri
omusajja yalina omukazi era omukazi we yamubeerawo mu budde obuzibu because that is what your wife is supposed to do. Me who is not your wife, I will support you when you have something good going on. Hey, ate mbeerawo mu bubi mukyala we anabeerawo
Prima kyogamba yo gye bwakola ekikengi kyange kisobola kuddayo kale okubeera mukyala unamba
edda mukwano nze nina basajja babampula first chance first priority lwaki bange ndiwo mukibira namba do I look like a second priority to you? Do I look like I deserve to be second? Do I look like I deserve to be second? Maybe I have a man and I'm his first priority.
Alright, yes. Oli ku GEOSTEADY TV nga bulijjo nateera njagala kubanga nkubuuzaako muganda wange gwe wenna atugoberera wano ku mukutu gwaffe gwa YouTube nti wasiibye otya ogamba otya kasubire oli bulungi. Nateera nkujjukiza nti nja kusaba muganda wange genda wansaawo osubscribinge olikinge ateera osharinge still osobola okomentinga okusinzira ku video eno nga woba okoze ki nga woba ojabe. Nateera nyongera okubanga nkujjukiza gwe wenna eyandyetaaze okubanga olanga naffe aba GEOSTEADY TV osobola okubanga otunoonyako kanamba kaffe ak'essimu 0750312083 oba 0750312083 ojja kubanga osobola okubanga otufuna tujja kubanga tukulangira bizinesi yo osobola okubanga naawe ogikuba abantu mu maaso.
First of all, I'm celebrating Jared's comeback. I'm just grateful to go to TUFUDDE where Jared another comeback with his life, his career. Of course, maybe it's even you to go through what you went through, and then you come back and you have a concert, and then you have a song, because we have a song trending, and that song is like 3 years ago. So that's like God showing people, yeah, what you can do.
Well, thank you for being there. Abantu abambayira we thought tugenda kumalawo okuba nti munnaye waliwo omujjawo
musomujja wange by the way mukyala wa just because me I'm not just twice naliko ne bibbo so how is someone my mujja when you're not sleeping with the same man?
Koza abantu balowooza nti oba mu ngeri emu benda bamisu tagenda kusobola kujja tagenda kusobola kujja kubeerawo
because era sitera kujja why no press conference here? I'm here because I'm celebrating him. Nabagambye I'm here because I'm celebrating his comeback and God giving him this chance to do this concert. Yeah.
You and
we broke up. We failed, guys. We failed. Relationship failing, and it is very normal. Abana basanyufu, abana bali abana babeera ne taata abali mama waabwe.
Prima, kino ekyokubeera nti ozize mu kifo kimu kyali ekirimu omukyala gyegisaaziddwalina naawe omukyala we gwenga omukyala yaliko mukyala we kyekikugira ebyomani kikyolowooza bibaawo yes naye okitwala otyo
Me, I have a different point of view. Yeah, me, I support you. That is all. Family, is important. But my business. Yeah. Breakfast too much. So if someone can be with the kids, with their family, they have a very good relationship, and I love it. Yeah, I love it. I love it for them. I love that their dad has a wife, Bayagara. I think another they are happy. Maybe you know, they being in Javan, yeah, that's what we want.
ani abibalete nogamba ate bakugamba bamibiri yalituwadde bino nga gwe maama w'abaana abaana tolina ngeri yonna gyotungamu nogamba oba ayinza okukola ekintu ekiti abaana abange
omanze saakulyako mwebyo bitoxic family ebyo bwate mama nankola ekintu so I am not going to think it. What I know is good. So weba omutanda ze bad energy omwana because me my kids because you come this happened I don't want this they speak. So if they don't say that to me
so you and Joe what do you want to message maybe like what do you want to chance. Okay, let's give you a chance.
When I say chigambo, what you get there?
Okay, let's assume
I am ready. I can give you anything you want. I'm ready to help you with anything.
But it's my
chance. Chance, yeah. Just in let me tell you. First of all, I am old now. I was thinking to say no. I will not come because I am not comfortable. Now when I'm doing Nenyamba, Nenkola Kavi. Do you know what it takes for a woman?
I know.
To dress up.
I know.
I said walk away when you don't want to be in that space, then why are you going? I said so being it is an every worker. I am here to support George. Period.
Last time over there, can you sing this song? PRIMA. Tugamba nti gwengako omuntu omanyi bino ebiseera ebisinga omuntu abeeramu nefiya mulimu nagamba omuntu ose kyamuyinako.
George is my friend. Besides being my baby daddy, he's my friend.
Tulina ebiseera ebisinga etwabalaba mwewandira maama sinowanda kino
katuyomba mukwano tusaanako okuba enkya tusaana bano nga bwe mutayogera namunne
omuntu n'alowooza temugenda kujingamu
bwekutyo gwe nkugambye tusaana bano nga bwe mutayogera namunne enkya nga tuli bakyali tona waya nti wali okimanyi famire waya yazaka
lwaki tewabeererawo George mubudde buli obuzibu bwa yabeerera mu mutaala
mubeereddewo mu buno obulungi ate mukyala we yandibaddewo mu budde
no naawe engeri
omusajja yalina omukazi era omukazi we yamubeererawo mu budde obuzibu because that is what your wife is supposed to do. Me who is not your wife, I will support you when you have something good going on. Hey, ate mbeerawo mu bubi mukyala we nabeerawo
PRIMA kyogamba yo gye bwakwasika enjikya tusobola kuddayo kale okubeera mukyala we namba bbiri
edda mukwano nze nina basajja babampula first chance first priority lwaki bange ndiwo mutubira namba do I look like a second priority to you? Do I look like I deserve to be second? Do I look like I deserve to be second? Maybe I have a man and I'm his first priority. Nafuna abasajja nzize ndating abantu banjawulo and every man I have
mwaba basajja n'olondamu
nengamba kambireko n'ono
sofa mpaka kino osobola because tumanyi tubadde tumanyi nti munnaye okolagana tewali kale bwaka kiba osobola okuwajira
lwaki mbuwajiro
kale obuwani
oba mbuweereza abantu bajje balabisha banange please come and support GEOSTEADY tata so mujje mumubeererewo. This is like his celebration. You come back from whatever he was going through, from the mental breakdown, from all the setbacks. So we are going to celebrate.
Are you also going to attend that?
My outfit was Jikola. Sorry? My outfit for time, eh? My outfit, we're gonna Jikola. Jikola. Yeah, I'm gonna come through looking so demure.
Well, Prima, we've had it in Prima Lusania. What are some of the reasons to go back to Prima?
Prima Lusania, I think I was doing a business that I was, you know, Nasichina mo bukuku. That's my. It was a vibe I entered that I didn't know. And that, you know, this is like a message to the young people. If you're doing a business, please make sure you do research. Maybe you know soma before starting that business. Because business is what you call it stresses you because you don't know what to do, you don't know how to, you know, everything. So that's what happened. But we're having Prima supermarkets. They're being stocked. You know, Katina call an online shop.
Abantu bagamba nti oba osanga obola information oba messages ez'abantu nga bagamba kozi yoni yayogeranga bibi emmere ya Prima chip oba byebimu kubyatuka kisera n'ogamba
no kati kankubulireko no one can make you can talk tewali kintu kyassa kwogera sira kuleeta muntu maybe to not to abandon their dream of career or anything. Just nze ng'omuntu, it was not for me. It is not something maybe I wanted. Nekitandi kind of vibe because it's saying natandika with my friends. Abamanya fumba kubanga nze siri mufumba.
Bo ayina mu kasete kitegeeza bo nga tebayina.
Abamanya fumba. Then in a long run, ne batukanga bagala bivaamu by'ebyefumba tebakyagala ne babiyindekamu. Nengezako nange for 3 years, but it was. I feel like it was maybe just a lesson or a journey because in Ebyama business management and all that. So, and that is what we go through before being successful. Oh, I mean, I'm not a successful business. Of course, you know, often setbacks in different businesses. So, what do you want to talk about? No, what a business is never successful, which is zero. And also, I'm not a nation, but I can't be the one. We never change. Also, I know Tagan. Ojima so kusanganga in 4 years ngoli manager wa chikira ngabina wabivaamu osegeera. So by the time omuntu watika nagamba banange, now this is me, this is what I want to do. Ngatonnezuula waawo mukwano sooka n'okola
ekitegeeza primary ngo tubina idea
yadde mukwano
ngade mu kiyungu tobeerayo
ngiriba naawe mmanyi
ngade mu kiyungu tobeerayo
nga sibeerayo nga simanyi ne babifumba kubanga ekisooka me I'm not domestic. I don't cook.
Even at home?
I don't cook. I cook light meals. Kati wale ganze nse nsiko muchere yesepikini. Nigetoke kumesi nyebo. Natukanga it's meant for me because of course abantu bagenda complaining nga bisawo vuma bafumba. Segeda. Kiba kigwa nti gekigwera ng'oyinogera n'ofumba. Nobikwatamu so kyetaaga omuntu nga maybe you love cooking. And then tukanga ndaba banange. The opposite. But we have Prima supermarkets. We're going to get serious.
We're CEO.
Yeah, the CEO. We're going to call an online supermarket. I have like another friend. We're going to print store. We're going to make it big this year. No, me, I believe 2 heads are better than one. Can't you go about business? I look at someone like me. I work on TV. I call a reality show, reality TV. They got on my podcast. And in the business, maybe zero. You don't say people you need like a team of people. I want to collaborating and they also have the same dream.
Prima Lusania was your main occupation?
Not my main. I have cosmetics.
Cosmetics?
Cosmetics don't zirimu. Nae Lusania was something I wanted to create on the side. But maybe Lusania abantu bagimanya nnyo, I don't know. Mukisinga ebirala.
Kwe, nga natera okubanga tulina omukungu omukyala twamulabako yaleeta bifulesi n'alaga nti
ningamba bansonyiwe nabasabadde ekisonyi singamba bansonyiwe bannange bebagala mpi banange munsonyiwe
muyisaamu amaaso
Bobanga bibansonyiwe bagala bitaakulamu nayisahaddemu agimbe ndeka munnange
wayisa omukazi munnegga
tebali siatambula mukwano sina saagansanga kunkuba bitamu
wino omwamiyo wamutukirirako wamukubirako essimu personally oba apology gewakola yeyamala
netondera saha asalira twende oba omukulu omukulu asooka okukakanya omukulu omuto
Katuwakanye ne mukulu munate nga
netondera omukulu
ate nga ziwa gikola bulungi
ana singa gikola ku mukulu mukwano
bw'oyisaamu ekyalo
bana ndeka toza bya gaali banagezeka tuli mu new chapter gaali zava osobola kubyogera nsaka nanyiba nakubirawo osisimu era bannange bansonyi sibijja olaba luliraiti wavudde mukolo
lwe lugendo lw'okuleyolekera
omwana avunda
tulaba
I cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
Lwe lugendo lwetulaba kati lwayolekera
mukwano
kati wafuuka buloga
I cover myself in the blood of Jesus. Sina olabira tavundira mu komera ze
ati tulaba lugendo lwotwala kati lwagenda
sibiddamu kati twakyusa kati tugamba byambu
tuli branga tuli mu mwaka kikyosuubiza abantu mu mwaka
kati it's a new year. First of all, Kampala Cream is coming, season 3, the last episodes filming anytime from now. They're gonna be airing up. PRIMA supermarket is bringing stock, cleaner cosmetics, Makola TV, Makola TV chika start times every Monday to Friday. So yeah, so far that's what we have. Numbers mukwana. Kola manya mukwana emirimu gya tunoni.